Today we're going to talk about one of the freedoms of the 3 freedoms that have either attained or am attaining and aspiring towards. So the first freedom is financial freedom. Second freedom is location freedom. The third freedom is time freedom. Time freedom is the most important one to me. That's why I'm doing all of this. That's why I'm working so hard. That's why I educate people, that I can also have more time to do the things that I really want to do. One of them is spending time with my family, my daughter. I personally want to be the one to educate my daughter. It's more important for us as parents. We're losing that. So many people hand their kids off to another system and they don't imprint the true essence of themselves, what they really believe in. I'm going to do that. So not only am I going to teach these things to my daughter, but I'm also going to learn things with her. So some of the things that I want to learn is like farming. I know it sounds silly, or martial arts with her. These are the things that I want to do as a family, that we learn as a whole, but then also teach her the things that I've learned through my 42 years of life. If you had the time to actually do what you really wanted to do, what would you do? Leave it down in the comments below. I look forward to reading them.